What's up, guys? It's Ken FX with y'all, and we're back with another video. And today we'll be discussing what strategy we use to buy, sell, and get into our trades. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, leave any feedback for me as a beginner trader, and let me know what I should do, whatever I'm doing wrong, whatever I'm doing right. And yeah, so to the video. So the strategy we'll be using is the strategy that we use is a swing trade strategy. And this strategy is when you buy or sell or enter a trade according to the market, according to where the trend is going. So for me, I feel like, and to do the strategy, it would be to go off of the higher time frames. So the time frames we'll be using are the weekly, daily, and 4-hour time frame. So if we see, so we want to enter a trade, right? And you want to know whether you want to buy or sell. We would go to the weekly time frame and see whether if it's bearish or bullish. So right now we can see that this time frame is heading to the upside, which is bullish. And then we would go to the daily time frame and it would also be bullish. Then we would go to the 4-hour time frame and it's bullish too. So why would you sell if the market is going up? It doesn't make any sense. So we would go to the daily time frame and we will find an area of interest. And I did learn this. Started to get this after a few weeks of learning. It started to click, but I wouldn't say I perfected it. I still have a lot of learning to do. So we would find our higher high and our lower low since we're buying. So reset this. So you can see that this would be our higher high right up here. Higher high, and this would be our higher low. So we would only want to look up for an area of interest in this box, in this line frame, yeah. So we would go to the 4-hour time frame. We would square this whole part right here, and we would make a small, just find touches. And for you to find an area of interest, you would need at least 3 touches on the market on the pair you're using. So as you can see here, we have one. Let me circle it for y'all. We have 1, 2, and 3. So we have 3 touches, which is a strong area of interest. So right now we can identify that the trend is bullish, is going to the upside, and we want to buy because all 3 time frames are in sync. So for us to enter the trade, we found our area of interest. So we have a strong area of interest. All time frames are in sync. So now we will go to the 30-minute time frame. And for us to buy, right, we would have to follow where, so you can tell, for example, if the 30-minute time frame was heading to the downside and then these 3 time frames were heading to the upside, we would have to wait for the 30-minute time frame to show a movement, to show a reversal. We would need a reversal pattern that is heading to the upside. So we did enter a trade right here. This was today. We did enter a trade right here, and we were able to find where we have multiple rejections right here. We have 1 rejection, 2, and 3. So that would give us, and we see that every time it rejects, it goes to the upside. So we would have to wait for that movement to happen here. So as you can see, it happened, rejected, again went up, rejected, went up again, and then we waited for this to have another rejection. So we did make a line right here. Hold let me remove that. So as you can see, the line was right here. We see 3 rejections right here. So we would have to wait for it to touch this line. And if it went through, if it broke this line, that means it's now bearish. It's going to keep going down. So we waited for this to see what it was going to do. And it started heading to the upside. So as soon as this candle started going up, I entered the trade. So yeah, that's the trade I use. That's the strategy I use. My fault. That's the strategy I use. And I feel like after a couple months, maybe a year, it would take longer, I would perfect this and I would start winning more trades. 1% will going up, and I'll be able to be a profitable trader by the grace of God. And yeah, so hope y'all liked this video. Hope it was helpful to y'all, and I hope y'all did understand it. I will be making more videos about what strategy I like, how to use the strategy when I perfect it myself. But this is just a breakdown of what I use as a beginner trader. So yeah, and I am a funded. I am. What I say? I do buy funded accounts, so that is how I do take my trades with a high balance. And yeah, it's just as beginner trader. So hope y'all like this video. Hope y'all can show love, support, and follow me throughout my journey. And yeah, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. For any feedback, like I said, any feedback, you can tell me what I'm doing wrong, what I'm doing right, if I need to improve anything. Yeah, hope y'all enjoy this video. Peace, y'all.